Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best random orbital sanders in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. WorkPro Random Orbit Sander. The WorkPro Random Orbit Sander brings in the rear of our list. It has 6-speed variable control between 5,000 and 12,000 orbits per minute. It runs on a 2.5 amp motor. The body of this unit is larger than some at 8.66 inches by 5.12 inches by 6.3 inches, but definitely not the largest sander on this list. Despite that, it weighs in at only 3.66 pounds. WorkPro tries to make operation as comfortable as possible. It includes a soft rubber grip for additional comfort. It also offers less vibration and noise, two nuisances that a good shop can do without. There are some unfortunate features to this purchase. The first is that it doesn't spin as well as desired under pressure. The spring on the collection bag rips the bag open. While we're talking about the bag, it doesn't attach or detach easily. It also falls off without warning. The overall dust collection is substandard. The brushes wear out fast. Number 9. Topfork Random Orbit Sander. The 13,000 orbit per minute Topfork Random Orbit Sander is another product in our lineup. It is adjustable at 6 speeds. All this runs from a 2.5 amp motor. This is a truly tiny sander, making it easy to handle for long durations. At 3.53 pounds, it's very lightweight, and at 6.3 x 5.91 inches by 3.15 inches, it's practically the size of your palm. The product advertises a microfilter dust removal system. In this case, it doesn't mean much. We wound up with dust all over the shop. It also has a dust-proof switch. Keep in mind that this sander is not suitable for wall work. The dust system won't handle it, and the manufacturer warns that it will cause the machine to smoke. The clear dust collector is handy if it would ever fill. On the other hand, it has a tendency to fall off, so perhaps you're better off attaching the unit to a vacuum. Number 8. Enertwist ETOS 280 Random Orbit Sander. The Enertwist Random Orbit Sander has 6 adjustable speeds. It runs from 5,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, depending on the needs of the project. All this runs from a 2.4 amp motor. It has a 3-pound, 6-ounce body and measures at 9.3 inches by 5 inches by 7 inches, making it very lightweight and portable. It's also easy to transport and find a place to store it. The body has a 3-position grip, which is rubberized to protect your hands while you're working. It includes a 6.6-foot power cord. The disc attachment method is hook and loop, which makes paper changes a snap. It also comes with polishing pads, so you can use it for that job as well. The dust management system includes a dust-sealed switch and a dust collection box. Unfortunately, the dust seal makes the power button hard to press. The dust collector doesn't collect small particles, so it's not appropriate for drywall or other fine dust applications. In addition, the dust collection isn't particularly effective even for larger particles. It doesn't easily fit a vacuum attachment to help ameliorate the problem, so you'll have to find an adapter to make it work. Number 7. DeWalt Random Orbit Sander. The DeWalt Random Orbit Sander offers another solid tool. The body is 3.4 pounds and 10.3 inch 1 x 5.69 inches by 6 inches, making it lightweight and easy to handle. It has molded rubber handholds in all the critical areas where you'd normally put your hands during sanding. It's also very light on vibration. Both of these factors contribute to a very comfortable sanding experience. The switch is dust sealed, which is good because this thing kicks up a lot of dust. It sports a 3-amp motor that runs the sander at 12,000 orbits per minute, which is fairly standard on this list. It applies 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. It's plenty for most applications. Unfortunately, it doesn't have adjustable speed, so you're running at 12,000 the whole time. On the plus side, it has a rapid shutdown mechanism, so you're not waiting for the motor to slow down before you set it to the side. The dust handling system leaves a lot to be desired. It has a skirt, which helps direct dust into the collection system. The dust bag is handy because it has a one-handed locking system. Unfortunately, a lot of dust escapes. In addition, the bag fills up quickly. The solution is to attach it to a shop vacuum. However, this requires an additional adapter. The result is that this unit is best used outside. Number 6. Craftsman CMEW231 Random Orbit Sander. Craftsman sander is in the middle of the power range for the sanders on this list. It has a 3-amp motor that runs the sander at 12,000 orbits per minute. That's plenty of speed for most projects. Unfortunately, there's no variable speed adjustment, so you can't customize the speed to your specific application. The dust collection is solid and the unit comes with a dust bag. It prevents dust from spraying all over the shop. However, the bag fills up very quickly, so you'll spend a lot of time emptying it unless you attach it to a shop vac. Speaking of shop vac attachments, the specifications say that this unit can attach to a 1¼ inch hose. That's only true if you purchase an adapter kit to allow the connection. The sander uses hook and loop disc attachments. This makes it easy to replace sanding discs as you work. In this case, the hook and loop are solid. You won't wind up with free-flying sanding discs. Number 5. Skill SR211601 Random Orbital Sander. Another speedy sander option comes from Skill. It runs a 2.8 amp motor. It has variable speed control with 6 settings. The speed goes up to 13,000 orbits per minute, making it one of the faster sanders on this list. While the dust collection isn't the best, it does come with a unique feature. The dust canister is clear plastic, which is easy to remove and clean and allows you to see when the collector is full. This sander is also very compact. At 3.44 pounds and 7.87 inches by 4.8 inches by 5.51 inches, it's very easy to handle. The low profile makes it easy to get into tight spaces and corners. The Skill sander comes with 2 features designed for comfort. It has a soft rubber grip to protect your hands during extended use. It's also engineered with counterweight balance, which reduces fatigue from vibration. It also has a special feature that means the rotation only engages when it's under pressure. This means it runs at a slow speed when you first start it, and won't run away when you remove your hand. Number 4. TacLife PRS01 A Random Orbit Sander. Another option for a random orbit sander comes from TacLife. It's a variable speed sander with 6 speeds. The settings allow for speeds of up to 13,000 orbits per minute, making it one of the faster sanders on this list. It isn't the most compact sander on this list, but at 3.4 pounds and 10.1 inches by 6.6 inches by 4.9 inches, it's very easy to handle. The small size allows you to get into tight spaces and corners easily. It has a rubberized palm grip to decrease discomfort and fatigue during use. The ball and roller construction provides some benefits. It's low vibration and low noise, which makes it more comfortable for both your arm and ears. The unit comes with 12 pieces of sandpaper. Unfortunately, there's no carry case included. Number 3. Porter Cable Random Orbit Sander. Porter Cable's Random Orbit Sander is excellent. It can be used either as a sander or a polisher. In fact, it comes with both a sanding wheel and a polishing pad. The motor is 4.5 amps, which puts it on the high side for random orbit sanders. That motor delivers 2,500 to 6,800 orbits per minute. It's on a variable speed dial, so you can match speed to your application. The unit is made of ball and roller bearing construction, which makes it sturdy and able to put up with punishment. It also has a 2-position side handle. It can be adjusted to suit both right-handed and left-handed users. One of the downfalls of this unit is its size. At 6 pounds and 11.5 inches by 10.5 inches by 6 inches, it's a little bulky. This makes it clumsier to use than some other models. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Random Orbit Sander. Black Plus Decker makes the best random orbital sander for the money. It has a 2-amp motor, so doesn't provide quite the speed of some other sanders. However, It's very compact at just 7 inches by 5 inches by 6 inches and 3.16 pounds. It features easy hook and loop disc changes. It also has a dust-sealed switch to prevent debris from interfering with the mechanism. The unit comes with a dust bag. A built-in vacuum delivers dust to the bag to help maintain a clean work area. On the downside, there's no variable speed control, so you'll be working on each project at full speed, regardless of your desire. There's also no side handle for additional control. The sander doesn't like working on surface areas less than that of the sanding pad. When you do, you have a habit of losing discs. Number 1. Makita BO5041K Random Orbit Sander. Makita makes a top-of-the-line random orbit sander. With lots of special features and plenty of power, it's sure to make your projects a breeze. The 3-amp motor provides ample speed for your projects. It has a variable speed control between 4,000 and 12,000 rotations per minute, which enables you to suit the speed of rotation to the project you're working on. The motor also provides a controlled startup. The 2-finger trigger is located on the handle for convenience, and a thumb-activated lock-on button allows for continuous action. The body of the sander is just 3.09 pounds at 7.5 x 16.3 inches by 10.3 inches, it's nice and compact for easy storage and transportation. The body also comes with rubberized grips in all locations where you'll put your hand for additional comfort while working. The internal mechanism is sealed ball bearing construction to prevent debris from interfering with operation. It has an adjustable front handle so you can maintain control when sanding in tight corners. The dust collection system is also top-notch. It features through-the-pad dust collection and a built-in vacuum that collects dust in a bag at the rear of the unit. It also features the ability to connect to a shop vac for added dust collection capability. Unfortunately, you'll need to buy an adapter to make this change.